Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the service cover and battery. Removal. Remove the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the M.2 SSD to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the M.2 SSD by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the M.2 SSD in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Grasp the M.2 SSD by the edges and remove it from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the M.2 SSD with the key in the M.2 SSD slot on the system board. Gently insert the M.2 SSD into its slot on the system board. Replace the 2mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the M.2 SSD to the system board.